So let me stop you there first because I'm curious. So I'm going to interrupt you, and that's a bad habit of mine. But I want to know. Okay, so I'm a realtor, and isn't this like a sample contract? Why do I need an attorney to look at something that's already been pre-printed? Don't I just sign it? Like, what's the big deal?
Yeah. So the contract is written by lawyers for lawyers, and it's being used by non-lawyers. So while a real estate agent knows the contract, they know what needs to be filled in, how to fill it. They know how to basically they know how to drive the car, right? But they don't know how to fix the car. They don't know how to advise the passenger on, you know, this is how you put in your seatbelt, and this is why it's important that you put in your seatbelt this way, right? They don't know how to open up the hood of the car and, diagnose the engine problem because that's not their job. Their job is to get you the property and their job is to get you into a home that you want. It's not their job to dissect this contract and make sure that you actually understand what it legally means for you.
So I love that analogy. That's a great analogy, by the way. I love it.
Thanks.